going to try to go through the questions that I had, that you had today, since you're writing tomorrow. So let's start with the first question. The first question says the point 25, 33, and K1 all lie in a straight line. Find the value of K. Okay, so these 3 points are like this. You've got your point A, point B, point C. Suppose this is 2, 5, and 3, 3, and K1. One thing that we know, since they lie on the same line, so the gradient AB is equal to the gradient BC is equal to the gradient AC. So the gradient from one point to another is the same, because all these points, these are called core-linear points, because they are all in the same line. So if here I know the gradient from there to there, first of all, what is the gradient of AB? Suppose this is A and that's B. So what would be the gradient there? Gradient of AB will be 3 minus 2, 3 minus 5 is minus 2 over 3 minus 2 is 1. So minus 2. So that is my gradient. So I know that my gradient of AB between these two is minus 2. So I can say what is my gradient of BC. So I can find my K. But we know, but M also is Y2 minus Y1, X2 minus X1. So I know what gradient is. It's minus 2, which is equal to Y2. Now, this is the gradient of from B to C. So that would be 1 minus 3. So I'm talking about the gradient of these 2 points, which is the same as that. So that's why I said minus 2. So it's 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3 over K minus 3, K minus 3. You can do it, what is 1 minus 2? Okay, let me just continue from there. So that will be your minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 over K minus 3 over 1. Then you can cross multiply minus 2, negative 2K plus 6. And let's proceed from there. Then 6 that side, that will be negative 8, negative 8, negative 2K, negative 2, negative 2, 4 is that. That's the longer way, right? That's a longer way, but you can just say find the gradient of B and C in this way. You know that there it is 1 minus 3 over K minus 3 minus 2 K minus 3. The answer is minus 2. You know the gradient already. So you can just guess what that is. So what would be the value of K? What should the denominator be to give you an answer of negative 2? This should be 1. So for this to give you 1, minus 2 divided by 1. But then, therefore, your K has to be 4. K is 4. That's an easier way. Okay, now find the equation of the line. Finding the equation of the line, I know what the gradient is. What is the gradient? That's the gradient, and I choose one of those points from there. So M, 2, 5, and oh no, that's not M. That's the point, and gradient is that. So Y is equal to mx plus c, and then your Y here, 5, M, negative 2, 2 plus c, and that will be 9 is equal to c. So therefore, Y is equal to the gradient minus 2x plus 9. So done. First question.